With the Wisepad 3 card reader, you can easily accept contactless tap-and-chip card payments with the Shopify POS app. In this video, we'll walk through the key benefits of the Wisepad 3 card reader, along with how to set up and process a payment. Before we dive in, be sure to confirm hardware availability for your region at the link. The Wisepad 3 card reader is a great option for businesses getting started with selling in person or selling occasionally at markets and fairs. This card reader connects wirelessly via Bluetooth to a tablet or smartphone and accepts tap and chip payments. It features a basic customer display and tactile keypad for PIN entry, and has an all-day battery life for wireless sales on the go. All Shopify card readers are PCI compliant and follow EMV standards for chip cards. This means that cardholder data is secure and payments are encrypted. Payments are processed through Shopify Payments, Shopify's built-in payment provider, offering consistent payment rates and quick payouts. Now, let's pair the Wisepad 3 card reader with your device through the Shopify POS app. If you've turned on test mode, remember to turn it off before processing your first sale. You'll also want to confirm location services are enabled in your device settings. Press and release the power button to turn on the Wisepad 3 card reader. In the Shopify POS app, tap Settings, then Set up Hardware. Select Card Reader, then Wisepad 3. When the card reader appears beneath available card readers, tap Connect. The first time you pair the card reader to your POS device, the reader performs an automatic update. This should take approximately 8 minutes. Now you're ready to accept payments. Let's give it a try. From the Shopify POS, add your desired products to the cart. Tap View Cart, then Check Out. You'll be prompted to then tap or insert a card. Have your customer tap or insert with the chip facing upwards. Once the transaction is approved, the customer can remove their card. And that's it. For more information about the Wisepad 3 card reader, head over to the Shopify Help Center.